How to fix Shopee checkout failed. If you're facing this issue again and again, in this video I'm going to provide a solution. So try to open the Shopee app once again and then try to check out it once again, right? But if you're still facing this problem, then just follow this video. First of all, make sure you just go to the Play Store and update your Shopee app right now. And then you have to go to the settings of your phone. Once you're here, you have to search for apps, right? And we have to basically go to the apps management. Apps management is basically where all the application which is installed in your phone, it will be shown here. And here we have to search for Shopee, right? And here we are. Here you will find an option of storage usage in the second bar. Just go to the storage usage and make sure you clear the cache and clear the data. Once clearing the data, you have to re-log in into the Shopee mobile application or website, right? And once you have logged in once again, it will perfectly fine. It will work 100%. This is the only way to fix the Shopee checkout failed method. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.